Note 9, fast unboxing. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. You guys have seen a million Note 9 unboxings. This one's gonna be quick. Let's go! All right, Note 9 box. That's the sleeve. Here's your box. Do not take delivery if this seal is broken, so let's get into it. Right on top, you're gonna find some basic paperwork in here and your SIM ejection tool. Next on top, you're gonna find the beautiful Note 9. Underneath all that, you're gonna find your plug-in. USB-C connector, you can use this for transferring data and also using an older cable and having it hook up so it is USB Type-C. Inside here, you're gonna find your USB-C to USB-A cable, AKG earbuds, really nice of Samsung to include those. Extra earbuds depending on the size of your ear. And this piece right here, which a lot of people are not talking about, these are extra ends for your S Pens. That's everything that's inside the box. There you guys go. That's the Note 9 128 gigabyte, 6 gigabyte RAM version there. You guys have seen everything that comes inside the box there with the Note 9. I'm pretty happy about mine. Very, very surprised about the size here. A little bit smaller than actually my existing Vivo. I'm not gonna be putting my SIM card in here yet, but I will be testing out the camera, bringing you guys some camera samples. I have so many different cases and things to show you guys. Really very excited about this because this is my very first Note phone. I've been noted, this is my first Note phone, so I'm really excited about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all about what came inside the box there. Any comments at all about the Note. Did you pick up one for yourself? Did you not? Let me know down in the comment section there and we'll have a conversation. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.